Hello friends, in previous lecture we discussed the reactions of benzene in which we discussed the nitration. Today we will start the remaining part of aromatic hydrocarbon in which the reactions of benzene. First, halogenation. What is meant by the halogenation? Halogenation is nothing but the addition of halogen. Halogenation, that means addition of halogen. Here halogenation is an electrophilic substitution reaction. Why the halogenation is an electrophilic substitution reaction? Because here one of the hydrogen atoms of the benzene ring are replaced by the halogen atom. Therefore, halogenation is an electrophilic substitution reaction. To carry out the halogenation, we require the Lewis acid catalyst. And the Lewis acid catalyst, it may be the AlCl3 or the FeCl3, is required to assist the polarizing the attacking a halogen molecule. That means there is formation of the polarized complex. We require the Lewis acid catalyst. The Lewis acid catalyst. What is the meaning of the Lewis acid? Lewis acid, that means which accept the electron pair. Lewis acid which accept the electron pair. Here in halogenation, here benzene plus Br2. That means if we perform the bromination, we use Br2 in presence of FeBr3, we get the bromobenzene plus HBr. Or for chlorination, we can use Cl2 in presence of FeCl3 or AlCl3, we get the chlorobenzene. That means if anyone asks the question, or simply the question asked in exam like how will you convert benzene to chlorobenzene, at that time we use Cl2 in presence of FeCl3 or the AlCl3. Or the question asked in exam, how will you convert benzene to bromobenzene? Then we use Br2 in presence of FeBr3. We can easily convert benzene to bromobenzene. Now then, mechanism of the halogenation. Friends, here we discuss the bromination reaction or the brominations of the benzene. It having some steps. Number one, the first step is the activation of the Lewis acid. Activation of the Lewis acid. That means here Br2 plus FeBr3. Here bromine containing this lone pair, this will be attack on this Fe. That means there is formation of this a polarized complex. Polarized complex. Okay, this is the first step. That means the activation. In this way, we can activate the Lewis acid. That means the bromine containing this lone pair, this will be attack on this Fe and the formation of the polarized complex. Now then, step number 2, here attack of electrophile by benzene ring. That means benzene is a source of electron. That means these 3 double bond, they are continuously delocalized. Okay, now then this double bond, it will be attack on this bromine. When this double bond it attack on this bromine, here this Br bond, it become weak, they easily break, and we get the carbocation intermediate. And we can also show it is the from a resonating hybrid structure or the delocalization. When this when we delocalize this positive charge, we get the resonating structure. Okay, and plus FeBr4 minus. Okay, this is the second step. Now then, third step is the deprotonation. Deprotonation, that means the removal of the proton. Here FeBr4 minus, it will be extract this proton. It is called as the deprotonation or the aromatization or the minus H plus. This FeBr4 minus, it will be extract this proton, and here we get the benzene, that means the bromobenzene, thus HBr. That means we can convert benzene to bromobenzene by using Br2 in presence of FeBr3. The mechanism of halogenation, I repeat it, mechanism of halogenation. First step is the activation of Lewis acid. Second, attack of electrophile by benzene ring. And third step is the deprotonation. The deprotonation, it means the aromatization or the minus H plus. Okay, this is about the halogenation. Now the next, sulfonation. Here in case of sulfonation, the benzene is reacted with the fuming sulfuric acid at room temperature, and we get the benzene sulfonic acid. That means benzene is reacted with the fuming sulfuric acid at room temperature, we get the benzene sulfonic acid is formed, and the reaction completed within 20 to 30 minutes. And in this reaction, one of the hydrogen atoms on benzene are replaced by SO3H group. It is nothing but the sulfonation. Okay. Now then, mechanism of sulfonation. When you consider the mechanism of sulfonation, the first step is there is generation of electrophile. And how will you generate the electrophile? Here we use the 2 moles of H2SO4. Now then here a reversible reaction, 2 moles of H2SO4, we get H3O plus HSO4 minus plus SO3. That means here SO3 is an electrophile. That means we use the 2 moles of H2SO4 and we get the H3O plus HSO4 minus plus SO3 is the electrophile. This is the first step, that means the generation of electrophile. Now then, second step here, attack the benzene ring on electrophile. That means this benzene ring attack on electrophile, here SO3, and this is the slow steps. Here we get the carbocation, the slow steps, and slow step is the rate determining step, that is RDS. In second step here, plus HSO4 minus, here or it is also called as the aromatization, we get the again a benzene ring, okay, plus H2SO4, and this is the first step. In third step, protonation, plus H3O plus, that means here SO3 minus, it will abstract this proton, that means protonation, and we get the benzene containing SO3H, that means the benzene sulfonic acid plus H2 water molecule H2O. Okay, that means for sulfonation we required H2SO4 in presence of SO3. That means if anyone asks the question, how will you convert benzene to benzene sulfonic acid, at that time you use H2SO4 in presence of SO3. That means benzene is converted into benzene sulfonic acid. Now then, there are simple tricks to remember the all electrophilic substitution reactions of the aromatic hydrocarbon. Here benzene, first suppose halogenation. Halogenation we use the X2, that means it may be the chlorine, bromine, that means the Cl2 and the Br2. If we use the Br, that means here instead of X it become Br. Okay. Now then alkylation reaction. For alkylation here we use the RCl or AlCl3. That means here introduction of the R group, or the R group is joined to the benzene ring. Now the nitration, for nitration we use the concentrated HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4. That means the from this concentrated HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4 there is generation of the nitronium ion. That means it is nitration reaction. That means here the NO2 group is joined to the benzene. And next sulfonation. For sulfonation SO3 in presence of H2SO4, here SO3H group will be the join. Okay. Thank you.